Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dramatic brown filter on CapCut. So in here, you can just add any videos or photos like this that you want and add it into CapCut. Now first, you can just add two filter and then click on the scenery category. And in here you can just scroll down and then select the dark brown filter, this one. Now click on the check icon, and after that here you can go to adjust and you can follow the settings. So for the contrast, increase it to 7, saturations -10, brilliance -7, and increase the sharpness into around 15. Now click on the adjust cell and on the red color increase the saturation to 15. Orange, set the hue into 15, saturation 20, and then the lightness lower it to -5. And after this you can click on the green and lower the saturation to -26 and lightness -100. Click on the light blue and lower the lightness into -100. And now click on the check icon, go to the highlights and lower it to -10. Then increase the shadow to 10. And set the hue to -5. Lastly, add some fade effect around 15. Now you are done, and this is the dramatic brown result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.